MetaTrader5 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader5 and not MetaTrader4. You cannot use this on MT4, but this can be used on the Derived platform, since the Derived platform runs on MT5. Before you take any trade or you register with any brokers, make sure you check them out to see if they are regulated or registered in your area before you go ahead to invest your time, money and energy. And make sure you open a demo account to try out your signal, your strategy first before you deposit any money. Make sure you check them out, either they are regulated, registered or not, and try out your strategy on their demo account. Every broker has a demo account. Make sure you open demo account, try it out. If you are okay with your strategy or the signal or strategy, then you can go live. And before you trade, make sure you check Forex factory. It is important that you check if there's any news that may affect your trading in the course of that particular pairs that you want to trade. It is advisable that you check Forex factory. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers and try out your strategy on regulated Forex brokers, so that you will not have issue withdrawing your money, or they will not be adjusting either your take profit or your stop loss for you and taking you out of your trade that you're supposed to have won. So make sure you check them out to see if they are registered. You can just Google them out and put scam in front of their name and see, or in front of their website, and see if there's any negative review concerning them. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade, as long as you have it on MT5. You can trade cryptocurrency with this particular strategy, like Bitcoin, Ethereum and their pairs. They have it here on the Derived platform, and the link to this particular platform, this Derived, is in my video description. You can register with them. You can use my link and register with them. This particular strategy can be used on Forex pairs. You can use it on volatility, as many as you have on your MT5. It can be used to trade Forex pairs like Euro, USD, Great Britain Pounds, USD, Great Britain Pounds, Japanese Yen, and the likes. You can use this particular strategy to trade indices, as we have it on MT5. So this particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader5, and you can use it on Derived platform also. Now let's go on and let me show you how to use this particular strategy. The first thing you have to look out for is this indicator that turns from white to red. White means we should buy, look out for a buy, and red means we should look out for a sell. And the second indicator I have on the chart, which is still the same indicator, is this dot here, this white dot for buy, just confirmation. Then this yellow dot for a sell, additional confirmation. And the last indicator I have on my chart here is MACD cloud indicator. This indicator on the indicator window, and that's the second indicator. Now let me show you how to combine these winning indicators or Forex tools together to come out with a good strategy, and you can use to make money. But make sure you familiarize yourself with any particular strategy before you go live, and do not be changing from one strategy to another. Once you find any strategy that is okay for you, practice and get used to it. There's no need to continue watching my video or looking for other strategy. Just stay with it and master your trade. Now this is how you do this. If you see this white line turning to red at this particular point, then it means we should look out for a sell. And check MACD indicator here, MACD cloud indicator. It changed to red from blue to red also. This is a confirmation that you can enter your trade. Then the last confirmation that you have to check is this yellow dot. This changed to yellow here. We have a yellow dot here, and this is a confirmation that you can enter this particular trade. Your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high before this signal was generated, or you can use this. All depends on you. You are going to ride this trend until it hits your take profit. Either you use 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, or you use a fixed take profit and a stop loss. And for a buy signal, this red must change to white for a buy, and the MACD cloud must change to blue, and you must have this blue dot here before you enter any trade. And this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. And let's check the history a bit. I know you can do that yourself, but let's check it a bit and see what we have on the chart here. Mind you, no strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why you must follow money management. You can use this particular strategy to trade stock also, like Amazon stock, Google stock, Tesla stock, as many stocks you have on your MT5. Here is another buy signal. Here is changed to white, then MACD cloud changed to blue for a buy. Here we have a buy signal. We have the white dot and the white line there. This changed to buy, and we have a few pips also. This did deliver, and this is another sell signal. It turns to red here. So at this particular point you place your trade. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs you want, and this is BTC USD. Here is another pair. This is step index on Derive platform, and I'm currently in a market right now, and it's running in profit. It's running in profit, and I use this strategy to enter or to place this particular trade. We have the white line here, and we have the blue, the white dot here. Then we have MACD cloud that changed to blue for a confirmation. You can see where my take profit is, and this is where I place my stop loss. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and this is meant for MT5. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. Practice, practice, and practice again. I say it again, registered with a regulated Forex brokers. Make sure they are registered in your area and try out their strategy or your strategy on their demo account. This is meant for MT5. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated Forex brokers. Check them out and see if they are regulated. This particular strategy can be used on any time frame you want to. This is M5 and this is M1. If you want to scalp on the M1 minute, make sure you scalp in the direction of the main trend. And this is M15. The M15 has not given us a signal, but I entered the trade based on M5 signal generated by these indicators that I've combined together. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so right now and give me a thumb up. Now let me show you the setting for the indicators I use for this particular strategy. The first indicator is price range theta MA indicator. These are the value. You can pause it and use the value and enter the value manually. Then these are the color. This is what I change it to. Make sure you change it, or you can leave the default setting, but I like it this way. And the second indicator I have here is MACD cloud, and this is fast MACD. This is 12, fast line is 12, and the slow line is 26, signal line is 9. Make sure you check it and change it if you want to play with it. And these are the colors I use. I only used 2 indicators for this winning strategy. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers, and this strategy is meant for METATRADER5 and not METATRADER4. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do give me a thumb up, and do not forget to turn on the notification button. It is important I'm going to say it again. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Make sure the forex broker you want to open account with, or if you have opened your account already, go and check them out if they are regulated or registered before you go live, or before you even practice on that demo account. Make sure you check them out to see if they are regulated or registered in your area or zone or country before you go on to invest your time, your effort, and your money to that particular platform. Make sure you check them out and make sure they are regulated. I say it again, please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker and check Forex Factory out before you take any trade. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe.